Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan document with Google Drive. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Google Drive application on our phone. Then if you want to scan your document with Google Drive, you can tap on this camera button right here. Then you can start scanning your document. You can prepare your document you would like to scan. Okay, and I'm going to scan this document. Then we can tap on this button to capture the document. Okay, and you just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now the document has been captured, and we can edit this document before we save it. You can add folder. You can also retake if you are not satisfied with how it looks. Then after you're done, you just need to click on done. Okay, and after that, we can save this document to our Google Drive. You can rename the file right here. You can also select the location. You can select the account as well. Then after you're done, you just need to click on save. Then this document will be saved to your Google Drive. Okay, and now the document is being uploaded to your Google Drive. And alright guys, that's how we can scan document with Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.